Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify can't play current song issue. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're trying to listen to your favorite music or a podcast on Spotify and it shows you can't play the current song message, it usually points out to an issue between you and Spotify's server. In order to fix the issue, the first thing to do is to check if you are connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. Try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular data and check if that works for you by going to a Spotify app. If that works for you, then that's great. You have resolved your issue right away. But if not, next thing to do is to restart the Spotify app. Restarting the app is the best way to fix things if Spotify can't play the current track. It helps to force you to reconnect to Spotify's server with a new connection. Simply spot Spotify application in the app drawer and press hold to that. Now, tap on app info in the pop-up displayed from the app info section. Tap on force stop at the bottom right hand corner. Tap on OK in the pop-up and this will force stop your application. You can now go back to your Spotify app and open it up and play a song in order to check if that resolved your issue. Performing this step will give your Spotify app a quick refresh. If that still does not work, the next thing to do is to clear cache for your Spotify application. Press hold to the Spotify application one more time and tap on App Info. From the App Info page, tap on Storage. Tap on the Clear Cache button at the bottom right hand corner, which will delete all of the cache files that has been accumulated in your Spotify application. Now once you do that, go back to Spotify app again, open it up and try playing a song to see if that fixes your issue. If you're still having problem, you can entirely delete Spotify application from your system. Simply press hold to the app and tap on uninstall in the pop-up and select OK in the pop-up at the bottom. Once you delete your application, go back to Play Store and re-download the app. Log into your account and check if that solves your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to play a song or it just shows you can't play current song problem issue on your Spotify app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.